Are you in the market for a new computer case? If so, it's important to know which ones are the best. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best full tower PC cases of latest, and why they are worth your consideration. We'll also provide you with information on each case, so that you can make an informed decision. So let's get started. List number 1, Cooler Master Cosmos C700M E-ATX Full Tower. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is the ultimate gaming tower. With a footprint of 300 x 541, it provides you with a highly versatile layout that can accommodate the latest CPU and GPU configurations for the most demanding enthusiast. The freedom in layout organization and the support for unique graphics card mounting make custom building accessible right out of the box. Since the chassis is only as complex as builders need it to be, there will always be room to creatively experiment. The Cosmos OS frame allows for sandbox-level versatility. Features RGB lighting. 2 parallel strips of addressable RGB lighting run continuously from the top panel to the front panel, with ambient RGB lighting on the bottom that reflects against the aluminum bars. Its curved tempered glass panel not only helps you to get placed but also allows to showcase your system on a decorative way. The 2 included brackets can each support a 420mm radiator, with the ability to mount fans and a radiator on either side of the bracket. The Cosmos series is known for pushing the limits of Cooler Master case technology. List number 2, Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D Super Tower Case. The Obsidian Series 1000D is the ultimate tower PC case. A clean exterior design and 4 smoke-tempered glass panels make it a great-looking case, while the integrated RGB lighting makes the Obsidian Series 1000D changing the color of your equipment almost as fun as gaming. With plenty of cooling options and a roomy interior, you are sure to experience smooth performance from this large case. It can accommodate up to 4 radiators and include up to 4 Corsair SP120 RGB fans, an integrated Corsair Commander PRO fan, and lighting controller grants superior control over almost every aspect of your system via Corsair ICUE software. The 2 USB 3.0 ports provide easy convenience, including a pass-through connector so you can run your fans or drive at full speed when the system is turned off. There are also 2 plugs for GPU, one of which comes standard with built-in RGB lighting effects and enables your graphics card's fans to pulse at high speeds when active percentiles climb above a high 100% or low 50% threshold. List number 3. Phanteks Enthoo Pro Full Tower Chassis with Window Cases. The Enthoo Pro is Phanteks' flagship case series. It includes one 200 and one 140mm, which can be upgraded to additional fans as well as a 200 front extension side fan. The spacious interior offers ample room for high-end hardware without compromising on cooling performance. The stealth interior design hides power supply and HDD behind the motherboard tray and allows you to offer a clean look for your build, while the PWM hub makes it possible to control all the connected fans. Also 3-pin with PWM function through one PWM connector and create a better cable management system. Clearance for push-pull fan configurations, innovative liquid cooling mounting systems. Closed HDD panel strengthens the chassis rigidity, even when both HDD cages are removed. The Enthoo Pro, trying to establish its own solid reputation like the award-winning Enthoo Primo. List number 4, Dark Base PRO 900 Black Rev 2. The Dark Base PRO 900 Black is a compact PC case with outstanding features at an attractive price. It is perfect for any gamer, system integrator, or DIY enthusiast. The motherboard tray and HDD slots are optimized for individual requirements. 3 silent wings, 3 PWM fans allow the case to perform regardless of its size. Stepless dual rail fan controller allows you to achieve either silence or performance adjustable between silent and loud modes via a switch on the motherboard tray cover. Moreover, it comes with a PSU shroud and HDD slot covers, which provide a neat interior. The side panel made of tempered glass not only enhances functionality but also provides an excellent thermal performance. Stepless dual rail fan controller is switchable between silence and performance modes, ready for radiators up to 420mm, completely sound insulated with decoupled motherboard. PSU drive shroud and smart HDD slot covers provide a neat interior. List number 5, Phanteks Enthoo 719 High Performance Full Tower Case. The Enthoo 719 is the latest addition to the Enthoo family, featuring a responsive and sleek exterior, along with maximum storage room for your system components. The spacious interior space allows for dual CPU and GPU cooling setups using up to 408mm radiators in push-pull configuration, as well as 360mm radiators in vertical orientation. Air is circulated efficiently through large open holes at the front of this chassis. A small vent on the front panel helps pull excess heat out of the case while keeping an eye on your system's temperatures. Phanteks Enthoo 719 is the ultimate full tower case capable of housing both dual systems and extreme workstations with ease. The integrated digital RGB controller can sync up with compatible motherboards and Phanteks digital RGB products, allowing users to create vivid custom lighting environments from their PC. The Phanteks Enthoo 719 is a full tower PC case that allows for clean cable management with guided cable routes and cover, integrated PSU cover, and an integrated universal fan hub. The Phanteks Enthoo 719 is equipped with plenty of room, allowing for multiple hard drives and more memory, while still providing excellent airflow through its unique design.